All right, everybody, we're going to be watching this MotoStars video. We're going to try to see what happened with all these different crashes and close calls. Utilize the plan method so we can ride safe. Don't make these mistakes. So if you're a brand new rider, stay tuned. Let's just watch.
Everyone. Today we are starting.
Looks a little cold.
They definitely didn't go as planned.
Looks a little
Just
cold.
After picking it up, he dropped his brand new bike.
Brand new bike. It's cold out. Tires are going to be cold. Ooh, we're in the gravel. Looks like we're about to drop it.
Dude, there's no way.
Okay.
That just happened, bro.
So the first 100 miles, I mean, even the first 50 miles, let's start there. First 50 miles on a brand new bike, brand new tires. So if you get brand new tires on your old bike, same thing. First 50 to 100 miles, take it nice and easy on the acceleration, on the turning, and on the braking. So think of it as like you're constantly riding in the rain when you have these new tires, okay? Simple as that, because they're not worn in. And don't take a sander to it. That doesn't work. Just first 50 to 100 miles. And then when it's super cold out, the tires aren't going to be grippy, okay? So think of it as like, I don't know, if shoes on hot asphalt, how they're going to start melting and get grippy. Kind of the same concept. Your tires aren't going to melt, but they're going to get grippy. So when you have it super cold, also, you're going to ride over here in the gravel and on the paint, and you have a brand new tire. Maybe since it's a new motorcycle, your friction zone, throttle control aren't going to be that great. That's the part where all these different factors are going to lead to a crash. And that's what happened here. Lost some traction. We dumped the bike. So before you go off onto, the road like that, go ahead and practice some of the Smart Rider games, Smart Rider drills. We have these here. This is the brand new booklet. It's on pre-order right now. So right now, you can get the digital version. But before you head out, go into the parking lot over here and practice your friction zone and throttle control, all the different drills here. Maybe start off on some of the easies, some of the Ghost right there, some of the nice beginner ones, to kind of get yourself situated when it comes to the friction zone and throttle control so that you know what your bike can do, especially if it's a new bike. So as a beginner, that's what you should probably be doing. As an experienced rider, play around with your bike, figure out where the braking is. And it does come with the digital version of it. And if you just click the QR code, it'll take you to a demonstration video of me doing it so you know exactly what to do. But brand new bike, new tires. As soon as we get off into here, onto the paint, into the asphalt, and it's cold out, everything.
Dude,
Yeah, do figure eight for a few minutes. That's going to get both
That
sides,
just happened, bro.
and you're going to have to do change of direction. You're going to get a feel for it. You're not having to accelerate super hard. So yeah, Harry, figure eight for a few minutes. The bootlace is a figure eight.
No way.
Do some drills. All right, so speed wobble. Bike's just gonna do what it's gonna do. Got very lucky. I wonder if he started to go ahead and crash. So it's called a speed wobble for a reason, because we're going a little too fast. We hit a bump. Probably hit that little line right there. So at this point, the bike did grab traction, so go ahead and get those handlebars back in order. It's just kind of let it happen there. So don't land too hard, don't speed, don't hit some bumps. Just do the normal speed. All right, here we go. Line of sight issue. Okay. Oh, did we slammed the brakes? Yeah, it looks like we slammed the brakes. Let's take a look. See if we can see the bottom right of his hands. Nope. Probably slammed the brakes. Lost traction. Dumped the bike. Doesn't look like he got hit by anybody. So when you do that, make sure you focus on progressive braking. Give yourself an escape. Oh, geez. It's a good camera view. I need to do that for my bike when I film how to ride safely. Because right here, got lucky. So he did hit his buddy. Locked up that rear tire. You can see how the tire is not moving. So he slammed that rear tire, rear brake. See how it's sliding? And then it grabs traction and it straightens up. That's actually a really good view. So we're slamming the brakes. We're not doing progressive braking. Probably shouldn't have been going this fast in the first place. We set ourselves up for failure here. But right here, not much of an escape. He did good with the swerve here. But watch that rear tire, how it just stays. And then once it starts to rotate, he's able to move. So when it locks up and it starts sliding, you have no directional. You can't swerve. You can't do nothing. This is why you don't want to lock up your tires. So he's locked up. He's sliding. And as soon as it grabs, he's able to go. So if you start locking up that rear tire, release it, and then go where you need to go. That's why it's very important. Now, if that rear tire is doing that, right? Imagine what your front tire is doing when you lock up that front tire. So he locks it, now it's sliding. So imagine that front tire also doing the same thing. You're going to dump the bike. That's why you don't want to lock up that front tire. That's why progressive braking is so important. And ABS also. You got so lucky. And we're still acting like an idiot afterwards. Very good. Oh.
That was gravel. I think he played a big role in his fall.
Gravel?
He didn't end up colliding with the oncoming car.
Okay. Oncoming car. So turning around the corner. Oh, there is something. A little road surface hazard. Okay. A roll split. Roll split. Okay. Yeah, he hit something. Got some oil. Got very lucky, didn't run into the back of that car. This is when we can rescue somebody. Hopefully, it can stop any major bleeds. Make sure you ensure your own safety. It's very important. Wait, was that on the foot? Another man coming from the opposite lane lost control of his motorcycle. Okay. Oh, time to rescue. So ensure your own safety. So go ahead and pull off on the side. Let's bring that back up. Remain calm first, and then ensure your own safety. Pull off to the side. Have somebody call 911, and then start looking for hazards like any other vehicles. Because vehicles, if they hit you, you're part of the incident now. Thankfully, this vehicle did pull over to the side, so you do the same thing. Don't crash your own bike. And if he does have any major bleeds, go ahead and stop those. Those are preventable things that you can, preventable deaths, basically.
Towel or something? Towel.
So,
Did you turn off the ignition?
I want to see what he looked like. Okay, I don't care about the ignition.
You good?
I want to see what he looked like. He looked like he had something on the... No. I want to see what he looked like. I saw that right there. I wonder if it's his hair. You see how something's like hanging down from his head? Could be blood.
Towel.
He doesn't put... Motostars doesn't put the original video in the description anymore. Asking for a towel. Yeah, could be blood. It's hard to see. But I've seen that part before, where somebody's like it's matted hair. It's not like it's a waterfall, but it's like matted hair with the blood, so it's creating weight, and so it's pulling down right there. So more than likely hit the side of his head. He doesn't have a helmet.
Towel.
Oh, the whole arm flop right there. You see that arm flop? He's not doing good. His blood pressure is really low. Right there. Yeah, he's got a brain issue. Guys, please wear your helmets. Please wear your helmet. He's not going to do too well. He's concussed. So what we can do when it comes to like this part right here, the ensure your own safety part, looking for hazards, there's a guy or another rider. I don't know if they stopped on purpose, but he's up here. So have somebody up here when traffic is coming this way, have them like wave people down, because you don't want traffic blowing through here. Okay. And then same thing. Let's go back just a little bit. We're going to do a little bit of scene management so we can't do like an assessment. So you notice how it's a sharp right turn coming up. That's around right here. I don't know how close it might be, but have somebody down there doing the same thing, like waving people down. You don't want traffic, once again, blowing through here and then possibly hitting you. Overall, terrible situation.
Towel or something? Towel.
He's not doing good. Towel, yeah. He's bleeding. He's bleeding out. Watch out for anybody turning in front of you right here. Oh, we're going to turn in front of everybody. Oh, and then hit gravel. See the gravel right there? So we were coming to a stop. We're slowing down. We had our handlebars turned, and we applied too much brake because we're trying to stop in front of everybody, but we did it on gravel. So if you're going to stop on gravel, use a lot more of that rear brake. And if you need to really stop, keep those handlebars straight and use progressive braking on the front tire. Don't turn and brake at the same time because you'll probably dump the bike like this. Pedestrian decided to test the rider's reflexes. Okay. Oh, he hit him. He had to have hit him. Yeah, he hit him. Yeah, he hit him. Okay. I looked away too quick. Oh my gosh. Side of the pedestrian. This is a good indication of like how hard it is to see at night when it comes to these things. So when I'm in an urban area, I slow it down. I'm always scanning for random patterns. See how he speeds up? You didn't see him till last second. This is where you have to swerve. You can't just honk. You have to swerve. And if he's running left, you swerve right.